Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Update. We're having a very green day in the cryptocurrency markets today. Bitcoin has gone above $22,000. It looks as if all coins in the market are having a bounce off the low. But we're still deep in the crypto bear market. In this video, we're taking a look at news stories happening in the crypto world. Biden vows to hold companies responsible for SVB signature collapse. We're seeing Bitcoin rally up. We are seeing the altcoin market rally up towards the $1 trillion region. What's next in the coming days and the coming months in the cryptocurrency market? We have seen the total crypto market cap get to as close as $1 trillion. Is this a temporary dip to the downside, or are we going to continue rallying to the upside? We will be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. To all my returning subscribers, thank you for always supporting the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're new to this channel and you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Guys, Bitcoin, the king of the market, is above $22,000. We've seen Bitcoin rally to as high as $22,700. Bitcoin over the weekend dumped to as low as $19,500. That dump was expected, but right now we're seeing Bitcoin rally back up to the high side. Will Bitcoin continue pumping? Because guys, even as we're pumping to the upside, Bitcoin is facing some crucial resistance around the $22,800 region. I've seen Bitcoin rally that high in this recovery. Can Bitcoin comfortably have a support around here? Will Bitcoin continue rallying towards $23,000? Maybe even get to as high as $24,000? Because right now, the dump might not be over for Bitcoin. Right now, there might still be more panic to come in the coming days and the coming weeks. If we take a look at the altcoin market, a lot of altcoins in the market are up double-digit gains. Today is looking like a very great day in the cryptocurrency market. But on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, and on a yearly time frame, we're still deep in the crypto bear market. We're still dumping into Goblin Town. And the US Fed announced $25 billion in funding to backstop banks. The Federal Reserve established a funding program for banks, making $25 billion available to eligible firms in a bid to avoid further banking liquidity crisis. We've been seeing some banks collapsing, and crypto-friendly banks in particular have been taking the huge hit. We've seen Silicon Valley Bank have huge problems, and we're hearing Silvergate and Signature Bank are having huge problems. The number one altcoin in the market, Ethereum, has risen back to the $1,600 region. Will Ethereum continue consolidating around 1,600, or are we going to continue rallying towards $1,700? Last time we saw Ethereum trading around $1,800 was September of 2022. Guys, if we see Bitcoin continue dumping to Goblin Town, if we see the altcoin market giving back the gains we're making today, back to the market, if we see the total crypto market cap going way below $1 trillion, then it might just mean this rally is over and this is just a dead cat bounce. Be careful out there, guys. There's a lot of fear in the cryptocurrency market right now. Coinbase, Celsius, and Paxos disclosed fund in Signature Bank. Crypto-friendly Signature Bank was a key partner for many crypto firms, some which have been voluntarily disclosing their exposure to the recent closed firm. Sentiment in the market is back on neutral. We saw the market dip towards fear over the weekend, but right now we are still seeing neutral sentiments in the market. The bulls and the bears can't decide where the market is heading to in the coming weeks and in the coming days. We've seen a dead cat bounce. Hopefully that's just a dead cat bounce before we see one final plunge to Goblin Town. Because guys, over the years, we've seen a lot of dump in the cryptocurrency market, and the first pump to the upside is usually just a fake pump. We might continue dumping to Goblin Town slowly but surely through the bear market. And Ripple's CEO assures strong financial position despite SVB collapse. In a short tweet thread with no specifics, Garlinghouse said SVB situation will not disrupt daily operations. And liquidations are rising crazily. In the last 24 hours, over 55,000 traders have been liquidated, and the total liquidations come in around $216 million. The largest liquidation happened on Binance, where one trader was trading Ethereum and was liquidated for more than $7.42 million. Be careful out there, guys. A lot of bear market liquidations are happening. A lot of people that are trying to predict where the market is going in the coming days and in the coming weeks are getting liquidated. Signature Bank closed by New York regulators, citing systemic risks. The New York-based bank, which is known to serve a number of crypto firms, was shut down by state regulators, according to a Federal Reserve announcement. Still chaos happening. Bank of London bids to acquire Silicon Valley Bank's UK arm. The global clearing bank is a leading consortium of private equity firms seeking to purchase SVB British arms. We're seeing SBV collapse. We're seeing other crypto-friendly banks have issues in the coming days and the coming weeks. Guys, it looks as if there's a coordinated attempt at the cryptocurrency market. This is what you expect when we're getting to the bottom of a bear market. But we're closer to the bottom than we are to the top. If you take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, it's still relatively unchanged, but we've had some huge gainers in the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, Bitcoin has gone back to above $22,500. Bitcoin had a 9% jump from where it dumped over the weekend. Ethereum also had a 9% jump back to $1,600. USD Theta has been gaining strength. The market cap is at $72 billion. Binance USD still at number 10 with a market cap of just $8 billion. Dogecoin, Matic, Cardano, and XRP, their position is still unchanged. And Binance, BNB, and USDC sitting at number 4 and number 5 all had huge gains over the weekend. Over the weekend, we saw a lot of stablecoins losing their pegs. We saw a lot of stablecoins dumping to Goblin Town, which was very surprising. Guys, all coins are known to be volatile in the bear market, but nobody pictured a world where we'll see stablecoins losing their peg. We saw USDC going from approximately $1 dumping to as low as 88 cents, an 11.9% dump on the stablecoins. Crazy things are happening, but right now it looks as if the USDC stablecoin is going back towards the dollar. It's at 0.99 cents already. Insolvency fear led many to turn to other stablecoins, sell USDC at major discounts. Several USDC holders have fled to other stablecoins since March 10th amid fear surrounding insolvency following the disclosure that a portion of USDC collateral is held at Silicon Valley Bank. And USDC bounces back towards $1 after Fed announcements. Positive developments concerning Circle $3.3 billion worth of reserve held at Silicon Valley Bank and its new banking partners have seen USDC climb back towards its $1 peg. We saw it drop to as low as 88 cents. Right now, USDC is trading for 99 cents. Ripple CEO assures strong financial position despite SVB collapse. We take a look at other news happening in the cryptocurrency world as the crypto market is still in chaos. US authority preparing material action to curb SVB contagion. The White House assessed the impact of Silicon Valley Bank's failure over the weekend with keen attention to venture capital firms and regional banks. Still news happening in the crypto world. FDIC bidding for Silicon Valley Bank is in progress. The FDIC reportedly started an auction process late on March 11 for Silicon Valley Bank's bid were open for just few hours. And Biden finds to hold those responsible for SVB signature collapse. The US President Joe Biden on Twitter said he's firmly committed to holding those responsible for Silicon Valley Bank's and Signature Bank's collapse fully accountable. And we take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours. Guys, in the gainer section, we have all the altcoins that were dumping to Goblin Town. In the loser section, we just have stable coins, USD Theta, Binance USD, and True USD. Those altcoins held firmly through the weekend. Right now, they're still trading for $1. But if you take a look at what's happening to other altcoins in the market, we're seeing huge gains. Conflux is up 36%, Synthetic is up 31%, Maker is up 27%. Stacks and Optimism are up over 20%. It might just be a lot of people are getting liquidated. A lot of people are betting the market going down. If you take a look at shorts right here, a lot of shorts have gotten liquidated to the upside. So if the liquidation is over, are we going to start dumping back to Goblin Town? UK regulator moving at pace to deliver plans for tech firms hurt by SVB collapse. An emergency plan to rescue startups and tech companies affected by the Silicon Valley Bank's collapse is underway in the UK. If we take a look at the total crypto market cap, we saw it crawl back above $1 trillion. but there's a huge rejection we're facing at that $1 trillion level. There's a huge resistance waiting for us at the $1 trillion level. So right now, as I've hit the $1 trillion level, maybe we might consolidate in the coming days and the coming weeks. But guys, Bitcoin just set a new lower low for the first time since December 2022. We might just see Bitcoin waddling, but slowly but surely coming back towards $18,000, which might mean the total crypto market cap might dump towards the $820 billion region at some point in time in the coming weeks. US Treasury Secretary Yellen working on SVB collapse, not a bailout. Janet Yellen said in an interview on March 12 that US regulators are working to address Silicon Valley Bank collapse, but not considering a major bailout. A lot of talks has been going around in the cryptocurrency market that the Fed might bail a lot of these banks out. We have seen the Fed do it over and over again. But right now, Treasury Secretary is saying they're just working on finding a solution for SVB banks and they are not going to bail out any major firms in trouble. Crypto total market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, is sitting around $362 billion. We saw the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum, get to as high as $400 billion. But we face major rejection at that $400 billion region. Right now, total crypto market cap has caught a bounce from the $320 billion region up to as high as $370 billion. Right now, we're hopefully closer to the bear market bottom. Right now, we just have a little further down to go to Goblin Town before we see the true bear market bottom. From where the total crypto market cap, excluding both Bitcoin and Ethereum, is trading, if we see it going back to the lows where we got to in December, we'll have to dump back to the $288 billion region. And South Korea launches Metaverse Fund to expedite domestic initiative. With the help of the Metaverse Fund, South Korea will support the merge and acquisition of various firms from the Metaverse ecosystem. And the coin has the right idea. Banks are rigged to fiat-backed stablecoins, giving Silicon Valley banks directive involvement in destabilizing USDC prices. CZ blamed banks for increasing the risk of stablecoins. And take a look at the crypto unicorn index and the altcoin season index. The altcoin season index is telling us right now we're in a Bitcoin month. You want to be careful with altcoins, but for a long-term investor, right now will be a time to start accumulating those altcoins, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. And take a look at the crypto unicorn index. We have 48 projects that have a market cap of over $1 billion. That number dropped to as low as 39 over the weekend. Silicon Valley Bank's failure could trigger a run on US regional banks. A petition urging regulators to step in to claim that nearly 40,000 of all depositors at Silicon Valley are small businesses. And Silicon Valley Bank's UK branch, shut by the Bank of England, several UK venture capital firms have supported SVB UK, stating it is a trusted partner and played a pivotal role in supporting startups. A Cycle plan to cover missing liquidity in Silicon Valley Bank's corporate fund. According to Cycle, USDC liquidations operations will resume as normal when banks open on Monday in the United States, enabling USDC redemption at 1-to-1 with the US dollar. Core finance trading volume reaches 7 billion historic heights after USDC peg. The DeFi protocol experienced record-breaking daily transaction volume after USDC peg as crypto whales fight for assets. And failed tech banks SVB held over $7 billion for prominent crypto VCs. It's unclear how much asset custody on behalf of crypto VCs are stuck in Silicon Valley Bank. But right now, there's chaos. Right now, we're seeing banks having issues and it's affecting crypto. It's affecting stable coins. And we're seeing Bitcoin and altcoins enjoy from that chaos. As a lot of people are running from stable coins, they're running into Bitcoin, they're running into Ethereum. We're seeing the altcoin market pump to higher prices. Is it just a dead cat bounce to the upside? Are we due for that downside in this weekend when the banks open? What will happen in the coming days and the coming weeks? Guys, I will bring you more updates as all these news stories unfold. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
7.